And hello. Hello, everyone. Yes, hi. Kamusta po? This is Rosel coming to you from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's 11 a.m. right now on my side of the world. Good morning po sa lahat. And thank you for watching this live interview I am doing today. So whether you watch it live or pag pinanood nyo as replay later. So to introduce myself, ako po si Rosel. I am an IT professional and OFW for 17 years now. So the purpose of this live interview is to share with you about this online business side hustle na pwede nyo ring gawin. So I will be doing this lives on my page para ma-share sa inyo yung possibilities na kaya nyo ring gawin ito from anywhere and by anyone, whatever your background is. Kasi nga online, no, with just a mobile phone or a laptop, kahit tulad ko na OFW, na karamihan sa atin, no, na nagpa-follow sa page, pwede rin po mag-run ng negosyo on the side kahit wala ka sa Pinas. Lalo po, legitimate ito. I can run it here, walang problema sa visa ko kasi nga registered siya. And taxable siya and kayang gawin around my IT job. So, today, I invited a guest para po marinig nyo ito, not just from me, but from a fellow kababayan, no? For me, a literal na kababayan. We are both from Baguio City in the Philippines. Kaya tuwan-tuwa po ako na ma-meet siya. So I am introducing to you our guest from today, a nursepreneur from Canada. Yeah, meet Lyra.
Hello.
Hello,
I was on mute. Hello, Mr. Sel. Hello, everyone. Good evening from this part of the world then, and good noon, good afternoon dyan sa
Yes.
part sa iyong side.
Yeah.
And ano pa ba? Good afternoon, good morning siguro sa iba. Yeah.
Miss Lyra,
Thank you so much for
introduce mo naman sarili mo.
Yeah. Thank you so much for having me here, Miss Rosel. Nakakatuwa na ang dami kasing nami-meet dito sa business na to, and very literal na it's like all over the world talaga ang reach ng business nito. By the way, my name is Lyra. I am a mom, a wife, and I work as a registered nurse dito sa Canada for almost 15 years. And just like what Rosel said, I'm also from Baguio City. And when we were chatting, when I was chatting with Rosel, we graduated in the same university. Magkapit-bahay lang ang aming mga buildings.
Yes.
ng university. So, it's so nice na nakakamit ng iba pang hindi lang fellow Filipinos, but very like we grew up in the same community sa isang place. So yeah. What do you call this? I actually grew up in the mines in Balatok. So to all those who are watching na from there, hello sa inyong lahat dyan. And doon ako nag-aral, and then sa university nga sa Baguio. And yeah, I came here to Canada around 2009. Just like any other Filipinos na nag-migrate sa ibang bansa, me and my husband were after for more opportunities, and yung maiangat ang mga pamilya maiangat pa ang mga pamilya namin. So that's a little bit of myself.
Okay, Miss Lyra, start na tayo with the first question. So, paano mo ba nalaman tong online business na to? And curious lang, no? Kasi merong impression na kapag nurse tapos abroad, malaki na yung kita. Bakit kailangan pa mag-start? Bakit para sa iyo?
Yeah. Don't get us wrong sa mga nurses na nakikita nyo na nag-online business. Being a nurse is a blessing. Talaga namang what do you call this? Nakakabayad ng bills kahit pa paano. But then meron din siyang cons na nasasabi because we are actually exchanging our time in exchanging our time with money, with salary. Kasi kung hindi ka man naman magtatrabaho, wala ka namang masasahod, right? And yung nursing is we work long hours and very physically exhausted ka, emotionally exhausted ka, and wala ka na rin time sa family. There were so many times na ang dami kong na-miss na weekends and even holidays, yung lahat na ng buong mundo is nagpapasko. Kami ng mga nurses na sa ospital, mga ganun na, na mga instances. But of course, I'm still very, very grateful na I can practice the profession. Ang daming mga ibang tao na gustong magtrabaho as a nurse din. And there was also one point na, because I work as a full-time nurse before nag-start ako ng digital business na ito. So I literally like lived in the hospital. Doon na ako araw-araw. And it felt na our home was our mailing address. Kasi wala lang, uwi and then work again. It's like parang paulit-ulit lang siya. Yeah, it's just like cycle na hindi mo man lang ma-stop ba. And then one evening shift, my son was about 4 years old at that time. And I was coming home from an evening shift, so mga midnight na siya. He was actually waiting for me, so I was so surprised na hindi pa siya nakatulog. And he told me na I was working too much and I don't have time for him anymore. And of course, nung time na yun, like being a parent, right? It is our obligation to provide for the family. Kaya at that time, inano ko lang siya yung, hindi na ako nag-explain kasi totoo naman, but what can we do, right? Like, working as a nurse is my bread and butter. So, but then since then, nag-iisip na talaga ako ng iba pang pagkakakitaan kasi my question was, will I be able to withstand or will I be able to do work as a nurse for another, like maybe let's say 20 years? Kasi if I calculated, I have like at least 20 years to go. 15 years pa nga lang, pagod na ako. Yung sa likod, yung nararamdaman mo na lahat ang yung pagod ba. So that was my question. I don't think I will be able to do this for another 20 years. And what do you call this? As a nurse dito, yeah, you can pick up shifts like kung gusto mong magtrabaho 16 hours, 24 hours. A lot of people do that dito. Pero mauubos ka talaga. So it's either may pera ka nga pero wala ka namang oras, right? So don't get us wrong ng mga nurses dito. Money is not money is just a tool. But ang goal namin or ang goal natin ng mga business owner is the freedom from the employment, freedom ng nag-ask ka pa ng permission to have an off, mga ganon na mga bagay. So, yeah. And, how did you learn about this online business? Ang dami ko na sinabi, di ba? I was looking for other side hustles. So, I actually saw na my colleague isa din siyang nurse. And, what do you call, I worked with her for a long time and I saw her doing this one. So I asked her, pero syempre, skeptical ako. I don't know what she was doing. So hindi ako nag-pursue. So within 2 years, I looked for other side hustles ba. But it didn't seem to fit what I wanted. Very manual siya. I tried baking. And nandito ka nga sa bahay na nagluluto pero parang absent ka pa rin kasi you still have to fulfill yung orders mo, right? And then I tried like shirt business, but then na problema rin ako sa marketing ko because I didn't know what to do kasi wala naman akong formal business background. And then very manual din siya and nagka-problema rin ako sa inventory, right? Like I don't want to deal with inventory. I wanted something na wala nang padagdag na trabaho para sa akin kasi mahirap na nga yung work ng isang nurse. So I asked my colleague and she directed me to yung 90-minute webinar natin. And fast forward to 2 years, I'm enjoying this digital business and meeting people like you and learning a lot along the way. Yeah.
Nakorelate nga ako din, no, yung part na naghahanap ka ng pagkakakitaan, pero naku, wala naman akong business background. Paano ba yung itatry ko sana to? Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung mag-work. Kasi, ayun nga, IT lang alam ko. Kaya nakakatuwa din for me itong online business na to. Kasi lahat ng, di ba, no, parang nakapackage na lahat ng kailangan ko para mag-start. Galing. Pero, what will you say yung challenges mo? May challenge ba na nursing background ka, pero online business ito?
Well, it's really very challenging kasi it's very intimidating kasi nga wala naman akong background. Kahit na nagbe-business ako, pero this is like yung you have to present yourself dito sa online. You are opening yourself to yung scrutiny ng ibang tao, and being a human, yung parang I always think about people, what other people think about me or what will they say. So nag-hesitate din ako nung una, but then I have goals. I need to fulfill my goals na talagang my why, my big why. I have to work on my big why. And nung nakita ko na talaga actually, kasi nga, di ba, nagbe-business ako ng ibang kung ano-ano. So, I would try to research ba on how to do yung mag-set up ng website, just for example. And then, I have to do that like on my own, like DIY talagang lahat-lahat. And then when I tried this one and I saw everything na naka-step by step na pala siya, sabi ko, hala, andito na pala yung lahat ng hahanapin ko. Kung ano-ano pang pinaghahanap ko sa YouTube. And it's here. Like, very video-based siya. And then, ang tawag nito, user-friendly. So, basta lang nakakaintindi ka ng English, and now that we have like translation, di ba, ng iba't ibang languages, it's not a problem anymore, right? So, ang nakakatuwa na meron palang platform na ganon na it's built, na meron na silang sistema. And of course, I wanted to commend din yung community natin, because once you are inside, like everyone else, yung parang nagtutulungan na lahat-lahat. So, and even though hindi nag-meet, parang tayo, like out of the blue, right? So, and just by doing this one, we're helping each other, like sa business natin. So, at first, of course, something new is very intimidating, but once you are there and you will see it, you will really enjoy it. And yeah, you just have to learn and set it up at first, but then after that, naka-set up na siya for you.
Oo nga. Parang no, ang kailangan lang, marunong ka mag-follow. Kasi nandun na lahat ng steps. Ayun, kaya natin. Okay, meron tayong comment. We have a viewer. Oh, Miss Jel. Hello, Rosel and Lyra, watching live from Papua New Guinea. Hello.
Wow. Grabe naman ang audience natin. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good evening from here.
Yeah, imagine Canada, Malaysia, and Papua New Guinea.
Di ba?
Okay, let's go to the next question now. Paano mo nababalance, no, na meron kang nursing job, may online business ka pa, and being a mother and looking after your family? Kasi marami nagsasabi parang, ay, interested ako, kaya lang wala na akong oras. Paano ba?
Yeah. Well, you know what? Lahat naman tayo, we only have 24 hours, di ba? Wala namang merong extra na 1 hour or isang araw. We all have the same na 24 hours. So, sabi nga nila, it's not a matter of yung ini-squeeze mo yung mga priorities mo sa oras mo na gusto mong i-divide silang ganyan. But it's a matter of giving time sa mga priorities mo talaga. And being a nurse actually has helped me a lot, lalo-lalo na sa time management and prioritization kasi sa hospital, sa work or kahit naman sa iba namang larangan or ibang profession, you still have to make sure na you do your time management and prioritization kasi kung wala kang system na fina-follow, magugulo rin yung yung trabaho mo, right? And number one is there should be like nang sinabi ko, there should be a system. Yung business na gusto ko is there should be a system para hindi na ako nagma-manual, hindi na ako gumagawa ng manual work. So when I saw na ganito pala yung platform, ganito pala yung background nitong business na to, so you set it up and then you let it run and you get results na kahit hindi mo siya, kahit na wala ka nandun. Unlike with brick and mortar na business, like you still have to be in that like maybe in an office, in a store or whatever. And kung wala ka doon in person, wala kang business. Correct. So yeah, and it really worked well for me na lots of my biggest or yung mga malalaki na business partners ko was not done here at home. I just pulled out from the parking lot to go to work and I submitted a contract for another business expansion. Yung isang milestone ko is I was in an airplane. So, yung parang grabe siya, yung nung una, parang pa mangyayari na you can work anywhere. Ganun pala yun. Like, you have your cell phone and your and Wi-Fi and that's it. So, it really worked well for me. It ticked all the boxes. And then, of course, isa pa is, I also have accepted the fact na may mga bagay talaga na hindi natin magagawa. Like, hindi natin matatapos kasi wala talaga tayong oras, mapapagod ka. But, yung acceptance na mapapagbabukas mo naman may mga bagay na it can wait para hindi ka na ma-stress. Like, simple things na, kahit laundry lang, right? Hindi na, noon na problema pa ako na hindi pa na-fold ang laundry, ganyan. Ngayon, easygoing na ako. Those things can wait. And prioritization talaga. And then, of course, ang isa pa is delegation. O, di ba? Sino bang ayaw ng delegation? Sabi ko, ano bang Tagalog ng delegation? Magmando. Sino gusto magmando?
Ipasa sa iba.
Yeah. No, but like what I meant is dito sa household may kanya-kanya kaming responsibilities. So I am very blessed na my husband supports me in this business. So nakatoka kami sa lahat. We are a tag team kung he feels or napapansin na niya na I'm overwhelmed. We help each other and vice versa. So yun lang, like it's really very liberating to know na merong business na ganito that it can work. And yun nga, the system, the automation, and the duplication ng business is a very big help na pwede kong i-squeeze in dito as a nurse and as a mom.
And I understand na your husband works on the business with you, no?
Yeah. So he works in the business with me, although you don't, pag nag-snoop in kayo sa mga pages ko, he seldom show himself. He's a very, very shy person, pero he's the one who works in the background. Nag-help siya sa mga setup ng ads ko, and then he's my, of course, number one basher. So, siya yung kunwari, parang, kumbaga, coach ko, I mean. So, yeah.
That's very good. Partnership.
Yes.
Okay, and then the next. So far now, since you started running this online business, what would you say are your biggest gains or achievements?
So, for more than 2 years, so 2 years and 4 months, I think, yeah. So before this, I was working full-time. Pero when I did this, I was able to reduce my nursing hours na. So I'm not full-time anymore. So I have more freedom or flexible schedule. Hindi na ako as in araw-araw sa hospital, and I can choose when to pick up another extra shift or overtime shift. And sometimes I get questions na, akala ko ba may business ka na, ba't nag-pick up ka pa ng extra shift or overtime? But I want to share like an analogy. Like if you are, for example, your goal is to have a yacht, like a luxury yacht, right? Yung yacht, hindi naman siya nakapark sa sa seashore kasi sasadsad siya. And also, when you go to the yacht, you have to ride a smaller boat. So when you are still on your way sa yate, don't burn your boat. So it means na yung trabaho ko right now as a nurse is my boat, and until na makaka-reach ako sa goal ko or sa yate, I will still keep that. Parang ganon ang analogy niya. So yeah, and multiple sources of income, right? So if you're a nurse and then a business owner, put them together, you'll go to your goal faster. Diba? So, yeah.
Tama, no? Kasi you also say na if you found this business, it doesn't mean na ida-drop mo na yung job mo. You
Correct.
can use this, parang the flexibility allows you to do it on top of your current job para pag na-build mo na siya, you have an option later whether to drop it or not, or if you still enjoy your job, meron kang options. Doon ako natutuwa rin. Kasi kung ako rin, because I've been in IT for mga 2 decades na, no, I enjoy it. It's something I'm used to. Pero pwede namang more than an IT professional, pwede rin mag-run this digital business on the side.
And aside from the yung sa nagawa sa nursing career ko, I also have met so many people around the world, and I met in person and met in dito virtual
online.
And yeah, and you know, when before I started this, na confined ako kasi lagi nga ako sa trabaho, so na-confine ako na nasa hospital lang and work. So my coworkers were my friends, and kung makikipag-argue pa ako sa mga katrabaho ko, wala na akong kaibigan. But here, like, I've met so many people na I can resonate with, and nakakatuwa na there are people, good people around the world na I think a lot of mga ibang tao natatakot na mag-work online kasi nga baka maloko sila or anything. But I've met so many people, and good people exist.
Yes. Lumalawak yung circle natin, no? Okay, we have a comment. So yeah, it's from Miss Jill. That's right. What a great business package. Kompleto na, i-rerun mo na lang. Full of learning and fun. Ayun din, no? I find it very fun. Kasi parang dati wala ako alam sa graphic design. Tapos nun, parang dito lang ako natuto. Ngayon, nagagamit ko na rin sa office. Merong maraming ibang skills outside of your current job na may explore mo further because of this additional something on the side, di ba? Okay. So, yeah, Miss Lyra, ito na lang. Any final words? Kasi marami nga talaga, no? Palaging merong inquiries, pero palaging hesitant sila or skeptical, or yung iba rin parang kailangan ko ba mag-live? Kailangan ko bang fully present sa Facebook page ko? Nahihiya ako? Mga ganyan. Marami silang doubts, hesitations, and fears. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Well, it takes time naman for everything. Everything that is good takes time and work. Hindi naman to overnight. Pati naman ako, I have to work on myself, and I'm still working on myself. And ang success naman is not overnight. And hindi ka naman nag-iisa dito, so you can go together with another business partner, mga ganyan. But then for all those who are watching us right now, if you are thinking or considering this one, think of like kung kunwari mag-shopping ka ng t-shirt or shirt or damit or shoes, right? If you want to buy something or get something, you want to try it, right? The last thing you want to happen is bumili ka ng shoes na hindi naman pala kasya sa'yo, or bumili ka ng damit na hindi naman pala bagay sa'yo. So you have to try it on, right? And see if it fits you or if it fits your values. So and aside from that one, you have to make sure that you have to take some steps, meaning mag-research ka. So when I found this business, I was also very hesitant. Sabi ko, ano ba daw? Parang tawag ito, parang illegal ba ito? So I have to research because like immigrant ako dito and then I have to work myself being a nurse. Hindi ko naman i-compromise yung reputation ko para lang kumita ng pera na illegal, right? So I have to took some steps and research about it. We researched and we did our due diligence. We prayed about it. And then next one is, sabi nga nila, spy out the land. Parang kunwari, ano nang tawag doon? You snoop in sa mga pages. Kunwari may pina-follow niyo si Rosel because you are interested on our business. You snoop on her page. Yung parang, ano bang Tagalog noon? Yung parang mag-osyo. Magmanman or mag-osyoso ba yun? Yung isa?
Oo, usi.
Yeah. You snoop in. Our pages are, if you guys don't know, our pages are public. So like opening yourself to the public scrutiny, nakakatakot na yun, right? But then this is legal, so there's nothing to be scared about. There's nothing to worry about. And when I was making this decision or I was considering on starting this business, I have to make sure na I was coming out of in a peaceful place. Hindi ako galit, hindi ako nagmamadali, hindi yung feeling ko hindi pa ako sure or hindi ako frustrated. I had to make sure that I had done my part, I had done my research and launch it or jump on it, right? So, kunwari gusto mong bumili ng isang sasakyan, hindi naman pwede na uupo ka lang doon sa driver seat. You have to do your test drive. Iti-test mo siya, right? And I want to say, I wanted to share. I don't want to be, I don't mean to be preachy, but then, like for example, sa mga ships, right? Ang ship is, they are not designed to just stay sa, ang tawag nito, sa seashore or sa harbor, I mean, sa mga port. Hindi lang sila designed para doon. They are designed to sail outside. And doon lang matitest kung gaano sila katatag or gaano sila, how they withstand the wind or mga pagsubok. And the same thing with us, right? Like kung hindi mo gagawin, how would you know that it works for you? Correct. But sometimes it can be scary, things that you don't know are scary, but try it, launch it, and there are risks involved, of course, but yun nga, we are meant and we were handcrafted by the Lord na to become somebody, and yung at hindi na wala lang na natatakot or something like that.
Agree ako dun kasi 'di ba pagkatakot ka about something, alamin mo kung ano 'yun. I mean, kung talagang after nag-research ka, na-verify mo na ay legal nga ito, then go ahead. Pero kung halimbawa nag-research ka and you see that it's not for you, walang nawala, 'di ba?
And the good thing is because we have a 30 30-day money back guarantee. So if you think that it's not for you, then it's okay. We
Okay lang.
totally get it. Hindi naman para sa lahat ito, right? That's the reality of it. So you have like 30 days to think about it. Kung hindi para sa inyo, that's okay. We're cool. Like, magkakaibigan pa rin tayo. Like, if we have other friends that want to try this one, right?
Yeah.
But, yeah. And it's so good na after makita mo, you get the chance to see or to decide. It's an informed decision na if it's for you or no.
Correct. Ayun. Okay. Thank you, Lyra. Thank you for napaunlakan ang aking invitasyon.
The pleasure is mine. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Yes, okay. And to everyone watching, if you want to connect with us, check nyo lang yung website namin here, posted below our name. So for me, it's dreambigwithrosel.com. And for Miss Lyra, Jeremy and Lyra, right?
Yeah, jeremyandlyra.com.
Yes. So, yeah, have a beautiful weekend to everybody. And thank you.
Yeah, maraming salamat. Thank you so much.